Welcome to Sakaraka Safar. Get ready to embark on a cosmic journey through the 12 signs of the zodiac as we explore the power of Mercury, the planet that governs communication, intellect, learning, and expression. In this exciting video series, we'll be diving deep into Mercury's influence on each zodiac sign, from Aries to Pisces, and unlocking how Mercury's energy affects you based on its position in the houses of your natal chart. But we're not stopping there. We'll also be exploring the incredible concept of Mercury's exaltation and debilitation, so you can fully understand how this planetary energy shines at its best and where it might face challenges. Mercury is often referred to as the messenger planet. It's the planet of thoughts, communication, and reasoning. Mercury influences everything from the way we express ourselves and process information to how we connect with others. Whether we're solving problems, sharing ideas, or learning new things, Mercury guides it all. Mercury in exaltation brings out mental brilliance, sharp analytical skills, and clear communication. Think of it as Mercury at its best, functioning like a finely tuned instrument that's working in perfect harmony with your thoughts and words. Mercury can express its highest potential when it's in these signs, making communication smooth, intellect razor sharp, and ideas flow effortlessly. Mercury in debilitation can show challenges in communication, misunderstandings, and disorganized thinking. When Mercury is in debilitation, you might find yourself feeling confused or struggling to express your ideas clearly. But this energy also has growth potential. Through introspection and adaptation, Mercury's challenging positions can lead to deep wisdom, creativity, and emotional intuition once embraced. For Capricorn natives, on 11th February 2025, Mercury enters Aquarius in the second house of finances, family, values, and speech. Along with Saturn at 24 degrees and the Sun transiting the second house on 13th February, this period will bring focus to your financial matters, communication skills, and relationships with family members. Mercury in Aquarius encourages innovative approaches to handling finances and managing material resources. Your mind will be sharp for financial planning, and you might find new ways to increase income or save money. The influence of Saturn will bring discipline to your financial decisions, urging you to stick to a solid budget or savings plan. Communication about finances with family members may require more structure. Be clear and concise in any discussions regarding joint financial matters. Mercury's influence enhances your ability to communicate with family members, particularly about material needs or shared responsibilities. If there are any family disagreements about finances, this is a good time to have honest, well thought out discussions. Rahu's influence on family related matters may cause confusion, so ensure there is clarity and avoid any misunderstandings. Expect a more philosophical approach to your values and beliefs. Mercury in Aquarius will make you more open minded and curious about unconventional values or ideas. You might feel a strong urge to express yourself freely, but Saturn's presence may keep you grounded, ensuring you stick to realistic, practical ways of expressing your beliefs. There will be some challenges and things that you will need to watch out for, such as the influence of Rahu and Saturn can lead to confusion in financial matters. So ensure your decisions are well planned and avoid rushing into risky investments. The urge to express yourself in unconventional ways may cause some misunderstandings. So double check that your communication is clear to others. There are some practical remedies from Mercury in your second house. Take your time to consider your financial decisions carefully. Engage in calm, structured discussions with family members, especially regarding shared resources or responsibilities. Be cautious of quick decisions or risky ventures in finances and make sure they align with long term goals. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. If you have any questions or need further insights, feel free to contact us through the WhatsApp number shown on your screen. See you in the next video.